Hi, let's learn about the subtraction. So this video is for grade 4 students under Bangladesh Education Board curriculum. I mean, anybody can learn, welcome to learn this. It doesn't matter what curriculum they follow, but subtraction rule is same for English version, English medium, Bengali medium, any other medium. Okay, so let's focus on the chapter 2 point 3 from the book, and let's look at some examples for subtraction. Let's say number 4. Number 4, we have 597 and then 397. So sorry, you put a minus sign here to understand that we're doing subtraction. So when you do subtraction, you start from the right side, okay, of the numbers, the column. So here, first number is 597, and then we do subtraction from that 397. It's pretty simple and very easy one to do. So when you have seven things and take away seven things, you will have nothing. So how do you mention nothing in mathematics? You put zero, not empty space. You put a zero, meaning it's nothing. Okay. Same thing. You have a nine things on the top, and then you take away nine from that, you get zero as well. And then you have five things, and you take away three things from that. So let's say you have five sticks, and you take three away from this, you remain two, isn't it? So you have two left. So you can write two here. Then your answer will be 200. So from 597, you take away 397, you will remain 200. Okay, it's pretty simple one. You already know this probably from previous classes. So let's focus on little harder one. Let's say example 6. So for example 6, change the color of the pen. The 6, what do we have here? We have 5, 2, 5, 6, 8, and then 105. So 105. Remember that when you do this subtraction or even addition, when you write the numbers one after another, you have to start from the right side and match the numbers. So like 2568, and we have like 2568, and then you have 105. So 105 is three digits. So you start from the right side, 501, like this. And you put one after another, like 8, below 8 you put 5, below 6 you put 0, below 5 you put 1. So that way you will not make mistakes when you do the subtraction. So let's do this one. So you have 8 things in your hand, 8 things, one, two, three, four, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you take away 5 things from that. So it's 4, you take 5 away from this 1%, and then you're left with 3. So put 3 here, and then you have 6 things, and you take away 0 from that. So 6 remains. You have 6 things, and you nothing take away, so 6 remains. So put 6 there. And then you have 5 things again, one, two, three, four, 5, and then you take away one, take away one thing from there. So you remain one, two, three, 4. So you have 4 there. And then there's empty space. So you have 2, and then take away empty space. So you don't take away anything, meaning it remains 2. So 2 will be there. So then your answer will be 2. 4, 6, 3. You get the idea? So subtraction meaning that you have like the higher number, the larger number you put on the top, and then smallest number you put on the bottom, and then you go from the right side one after another and try to take away from the top number the bottom number, and then you do like this. So this is example 6. Let's look at some more examples. Let's say we do number 14. 14 is 8, 3, 0, 2. And then we have 4, 7, 9, 7. Subtraction. Now, this problem is different. Look at here. You have two things, and you have to take away seven things from that. You cannot do that. If you have just two, and you ask me to take seven from that, you cannot do that because two is smaller than seven. So you have only two. You cannot take away seven from that. So what do? You borrow. You borrow one from this. So this is the ones position, and this is the tenth position. When you borrow from the second column, like tenth position number, then it becomes 10. So you have to add 10 to that. Instead of taking one, you take 10 actually. So meaning that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you're taking one from that 10th digit number, so 10th position number, so it'll be 10, and you have two. So total is 12 now. Now you can take 7 out of 12. So if you take 7 out of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to here, you take away that, and then it remain 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I have one more here, one extra. So let's delete one. So this is one. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 left. So here, you put 5 left. Now you borrowed one, okay? So that borrowed one will add it to the bottom one here. So when you have, so 9 plus 10, 1, it becomes 10. So now you have, so it becomes 10 here. So you borrowed one. So now now the 9, you have 9 here. So it becomes 10 actually. So 10 means 1 0, and you have 0 on the top. So 0 to 0, you will have a 0 here. You don't, and then you remain the 1. So when you have remained 1, then you have this. So then you didn't borrow anything. So you had 1, so 0 to 0, and then 7. Now you cannot take 3 away from 7, so you have to borrow 1 here. So it's become 13. So 13. Now you can take 7 from 13, so you'll have 6. So it'll remain 6 here, and then actually we have 1 here, so it become 8. 8 should be 8 minus 13 will be 5. So here it will be 5, 5, and then you have 1 in your hand, so you add 1 to the 4, so it will be 5. So 8 minus 5 will be 3. So 8,302 minus 4,797. So you have 2,505. So your answer will be 3,505. Okay. So this is another example. So let's look at another example. So let's look at number maybe 12. So number 12, we have 4, 5, 3, and then 7, 6. So now You have 6, but on the top is 3, so you cannot take away 3, 6 from 3. So you have to add 1 here, means 10. So 13. So then you have 13 minus 6 is 7. Then 1 in hand, you add that 1 with this, because you borrowed 1, with the 7, so 8. 8, and then you add 1 from, borrow 1 from here will be 15, so 8. 15 minus 8 will be 7. And then 1, you borrowed 1, so 1 will go here. 1, you take 1 away from 4, it will be 3. So this will be your answer, 377. Okay?